Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do division in a Casio calculator. First, locate the division key, which often looks like a forward slash. Then, input your first number, the dividend, followed by pressing that division key. Next, enter the second number, the divisor, and finally, hit the equals button to see your result. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps. Your Casio calculator will display division results as either whole numbers or decimals. If you perform a division like 10 divided by 3, you might see a fraction. To convert this to a decimal, simply press the S left right arrow D button, which toggles between standard and decimal formats. This is very useful for getting the exact decimal value you need. For more complex division problems, remember to use parentheses to define the order of operations, just like in algebra. Also, your Casio has a reciprocal function, often labeled x inverse, which quickly calculates one divided by your current number. Don't forget the memory functions, like m plus and Mr., to store and recall intermediate results for multi-step calculations, making your work much easier. To ensure accuracy, always double-check the numbers you've entered before pressing equals. It's also a good habit to clear your calculator's memory before starting a new complex calculation to avoid any lingering values affecting your current problem. For those looking to improve their financial understanding, there's a fantastic book linked in the description, along with other helpful deals. It's called The Simple Path to Wealth and it truly offers a fresh perspective on money management. Make sure to check it out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.